Learning how to make fruit leather is going to make you feel like a pioneer. Did you know you can make your own fruit roll-ups? You don't have to buy them out of a box. We're going to make apple fruit leather today, but you can make it out of any fruit that you'd like. Just wash, prepare, and cut up the fruit in whatever way is appropriate for that type of fruit. Of course, with apples, we're going to peel them and take out the seeds and core, and then we'll chop them up into pieces and put them in a saucepan. We need about 4 cups of fruit. You can even mix the types of fruit if you want. Then you're going to add a little bit of water to the saucepan and put it on the heat with a lid for about 10 minutes till it's starting to soften. You add sugar, lemon juice, and cinnamon to the apples if you want to. Those are all optional. Cool it down a little bit, put it in a blender or food processor until mixed well. Then you'll put parchment paper on a baking sheet and pour that out and spread it out to about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, not too thin. Put it in a very low heat oven for 4 to 6 hours, or if you have a real low heat, even overnight. When it's done, it's just sticky to the touch a little bit, you're going to take it out, cut it into pieces, and then you can either roll those pieces up into fruit roll-ups, you can wrap them in saran wrap if you want, or just leave them in pieces. You'll have homemade fruit roll-ups. How to make fruit leather is so easy to make and so much fun. Come on over to Welcome to Nana's for the complete recipe.